kanang sa usa ka opisina na atay mga tagsa-tagsa ka computer parehas na karon diha. Sa level 2, ang inyong computer sa inyong opisina magka-istorya na or link na siya. So mo na level 2. Ang level 1 personalized man to nimo. Pero ang level 2, ikaw makakita na kasi imong tapad, siya makakita sa imo. So ang level 3, ang imong opisina makakonect na sa laing office. So ang level 4 karon, ang atong building makakonect naglaing building. Mao na ni karon nga mo-connect na ta sa City Engineer's Office, ang Orwasa, mag-reading na sila sa read and bill, i-plug nila dito sa ila computer, pagkahuman na bisang kag munganhi ka sa Treasurer's Office, mangutana ka pila imong bayranan sa imong tubig, automatic makahibaw din Treasurer's Office kay ngano man link naman na siya. Hasta na mga 3-in-1 buildings link na gihapon na dinhi sa atong City Hall. So ingon ani na ni karon ang atong Ormoc level 4 na ta sa computerization. Parallel to the objective of providing easy and quick access of information and data, the 12 sangguniang panglungsod also installed the Electronic Legislative Engine for Governance and Information Management Utility System, or the ELIGIMUS. This database system stores all existing records of our city's resolution and ordinances, video and audio files of our city council's weekly sessions, and provide backup copy of the city's voluminous legislative codes. Kining atong kasanggunian karon, tagsa na ni silang computer. Gani, kinahanglan na gyud tingali kay kining adtong una baga kayong mga papel nga ilang ibutang sa ilang atubangan, mga ordinansa, mga unsay mga agenda, pero karon gamay na lang kayo, minimal na kayo ang ilang papel nga naa silang lamisa kay nananatanan sa computer. Naay mag-discuss, pwede sila mo scan sa mga karaang ordinansa, makakita sila na. Unya kini karon ila na ning nanay video ni sila dinhi. Kay kini gon ingon aning nga klase nga legislative style. Mo ni say usa nga na updated na og gani ang ato gayeng sanggunian nani naka-premium magaling, pero once nga naani sila na ni mosamot na gyud ta nga at par pa gyud og maayo. Ug unya ako bitaw ning komedyahan atong mga konselor kay giingnan man lagi ko atong eleksyon ng akong mga councilor, mga vintage na kuno karon ingko nga hala tuon-tuon yung computer. So karon ang ato sa mga councilor purya buyag kadiyot rasad na cut-on og computer kay kung di gayang kibaw na maglisod na ni sa sunod eleksyon og di magtuon og computer. But anyway, ang atong councilor user friendly kaayo kini nga system. Another laudable benefit of our city has derived from promoting good governance and adapting technology in government operations is the installation and utilization of the private automatic branch exchange, or the PABX system for the City Hall's telecommunication. This has decreased the city's operational expenses and also enhanced our communication system, contributing directly to efficiency in our operations and services. Whereas before, the city government spent an average of 600,000 annually for telephone subscription expenses. The use of the PBX system enabled us to reduce our telephone subscription up from 80 lines to 24 lines, or an average decrease of 173,000 pesos in cost per year. This has also enhanced our telecommunication systems to 300 local telephone connections. At nung una, 80 ni ka linya atong gi-subscribe, karong 24 na lang. Unya atong una 80 ka linya, 80 na ka telepono, pero karon 24 ni ka linya, pero 300 na ni ka local telephone lines. In effect, the use of the PBX system not only improved communication services in our department and offices, but also resulted in an average annual savings of 427,000 pesos, a financial resource that is now utilized to finance other development projects of our city. Kini makigsunan na akong ipang-mention ninyo, dili kayo na ingon dinagko dayon, pero at least kung matigom ni sila, maon na ni, magamit pa natog lain. Indeed, Access to information through system applications and e-governance has emerged as the most viable and effective means for having a streamlined workflow and a more efficient, productive workforce. Certainly, the benefits we gain through computerizations complemented our efforts in promoting good business climate in the city. The city has a one-stop shop permit processing where the services of government agencies like the DTI, Pag-ibig, SSS, PhilHealth, and the Bureau of Fire Protection can easily be accessed. We have reduced the processing time span from an average of 4 to 8 hours to only an hour or even less. The enhanced business name registration system further simplified the procedures by using a unified form of application. Undoubtedly, Ormoc simplified and streamlined business registration procedure with its computerized business records and transaction is considered above par with other LGU in the region. In fact, it is identified as one of our strengths in governance, gaining for us national recognition as a business-friendly city and continues to be the subject of replication by other local government units. Record will prove that the city's booming business industry has provided economic stability, indicating a pro-trade and pro-investment environment. This places us in a stronger position as an alternative investment and business destination among local and foreign investors. Our city now has more than 4,900 registered business establishments, generating an average of 50 to 60 million in annual revenues from business taxes. When I first assumed office in 2004, our city government only had 83 million in local income, barely enough to meet all our financial obligations for its operations. At that time, the bulk of our city's finances came from the Internal Revenue Allotment or IRA. Local income collection was not that aggressively pursued. Thus, after a thorough review of our financial status and by exercising political will and determination, we bravely confronted our fiscal inadequacies and instituted drastic reforms and innovative measures to achieve financial stability. The first order of business was fiscal discipline and prudence in government spending without sacrificing the delivery of basic services. Existing government collection-related system and activities were then reviewed, modified, refined, and computerized to ensure that income collections are promptly paid, correctly reported, accurately recorded, and constantly monitored by submitting monthly target status report through the local finance committee. Local income now constitutes about 40% of our total annual revenues. Aside from the IRA, a sizable income also comes from business and real property taxes. For the period 2004 to 2009, we managed to collect the amount of 723 million in RPT, real property tax payment from PNOC sa 5 years na nila. And late last year, after a series of meetings and negotiations, again, we collected 305 million from the Energy Development Corporation or EDC for 2010 and 2011 real property taxes. Kini mag-igsunan gi-challenge ko nini atong una na akong amigo gingnan ko, Mayor, makulikta galing na ninyong pinusi. Lamano jud ko nimo. Lamano ra jud. Siguro ginako karon gilamano jud ko. Pero kini mag-igsunan dili ni kay usa lang. Atong Vice Mayor ang atong mga present and previous nga mga councilors appeal sa negotiations nini. So kung sa pa madugo gud tinuod, dugay ni nga negotiations. Kining 305 million, it took us 2 years. Kining 723, mga 1 year na kapin. Pero sa hinay-hinay